Here's how to track your Amazon package in real time using the updated 2026 method. Open your browser and go to Amazon.com. Sign into your account so you can access your orders. Now hover over Returns and Orders in the top right corner and click it. This will show a list of everything you've purchased recently. Find the order you want to track. If it's still processing, you'll see something like Preparing for Shipment. If it's on the way, you'll see Track Package. Click that. This page shows your package's location and estimated arrival time. If the carrier supports it, you'll see a real-time map showing your driver's current position and how many stops away they are. You may also see detailed scans like Package left the facility, Out for delivery, Delivery attempted. If you want real-time alerts, scroll down and enable delivery notifications. Amazon can notify you through email, text message, or the mobile app when the package ships. It's out for delivery. It's delivered. There's a delivery issue. After delivery, Amazon often provides a photo of where the package was left. You can view this by returning to the Track Package page. And that's it. That's how to track your Amazon package in real time.